Question 6. What is the solution to the equation below? The equation says 3/4 x minus 4 equals 40 minus 2x. All right, so I drew my line down the middle to remind me I need to do the same thing on both sides. And I have a fraction in this one, so I can start with step 1, which is to eliminate my fraction. I only have one fraction, and my denominator is 4. So I'm going to take that 4, and I multiply everything by the 4. All right, so I take my denominator, and I'm doing 4 times 3/4. That's going to give me 3, and these are my x's. Then I take 4, and I'm multiplying it by negative 4. That's going to give me a negative 16. Then I'm going to do 4 times 40, and that gives me 160. And 4 times negative 2x. So I'm going to get a negative 4 times 2 is going to be 8, and those are my x's. Next step is to eliminate parentheses. I don't have any parentheses, so I'm moving on to combine like terms. 1x, 1 constant, 1x. Can't do anything there. So I'm going to move my smallest variable. And so I have 3 x's, and these are positive, and negative 8x. So the negative is smaller. I'm going to do the inverse, so I'm going to add 8x. 3 plus 8, that's 11x. I bring down my negative 16, and I still have 160 on the right. So from there, I'm going to move my constants together. And I just moved the x's to the left, so this negative 16 has to go to the right. And it's a negative 16, so I do the inverse, and I'm going to add 16. So I have 160 plus 16. So 160 plus 16, that gives me 176. And my last step is to solve by dividing. Oop, I forgot my x's. Sorry, guys. There should be an x on that 11. That's important because I need to divide by my coefficient, which is the number touching the variable, or that 11. So when I type in 176 divided by 11 and I click enter, it gives me a positive 16. So if I look at my answer choices, I should have chose C, x equals 16.